For this activity, you're going to need a pencil and eraser and the value scale that you created in your warm-up activity. I'm going to use the empty space to the right of my value scale to create this activity. An optional material that you may want is a cup to use as a circle tracer. So I'm just going to turn it upside down and trace around it. If you don't have a cup, no big deal, just freehand a circle. In this activity, we're going to take a shape, a circle, and turn it into a form, a sphere, using our value scale. So I'm going to start with the top area, kind of a moon, with the lightest shade. So I'm going to number my value scale from the top, the lightest, to the darkest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that first section is going to be the 1 value. Okay, I'm just going to kind of keep curving around until I have 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th, the darkest is going to be the shadow that's cast, which is on the ground. So that every object creates a shadow, and typically the darkest value of your object is also then going to touch at the base. So I am just going to use my values that I've already done on my value scale and insert those into those rings. My mark making, my pencil is going to echo the circle. So you can see that I'm kind of doing arcs like a rainbow rather than a straight across. Remember, if you get it too dark anywhere, you can erase and lighten it. You could also erase right at the very top in your 1 section to create a really strong highlight there. So now we can turn this into any circular object that we want and it'll have a 3D effect. I'm going to turn mine into a softball, but you could turn yours into anything. In fact, I'm really curious how many creative options you could come up with to turn this into something unique and different than somebody else.